Hello everyone, my name is Nimade Desi Handayani. So, in this video, I'll explain about the application of augmented reality in filmmaking. So, do you guys know what is augmented reality? Before going into the topic of the discussion, it helps us to know in advance what augmented reality is. Before that, I'll give you a little snip of augmented reality around us. The video is a video take using the effect that exists in Instagram application. So, it can be seen that augmented reality is very close to us. In this video, there are virtual objects added to the real world that can be seen on the smartphone screen. Augmented reality, or commonly known as AR, is a technology that combines virtual objects that are displayed in the real world with the help of computer equipment such as camera, cell phones, and etc. To be able to see the result of the AR made, supporting devices such as camera and computers are need to predetermine objects. AR technology is widely used to conduct research, to support education, as a means of promotion, and even for military training purpose. The use of this technology will be very helpful in conveying information to users. In general, the principle is still the same as virtual reality, which is interactive, immersion, real-time, and virtual objects are usually in the form of 3D. But the opposite of virtual reality, which combines real objects into virtual environment. Augmented reality combines virtual objects in a real environment. The main advantage of augmented reality over virtual reality is this is easier and cheaper to develop. Augmented reality is widely used in various fields. For example, entertainment, where augmented reality is used to create more interactive entertainment with humans, such as the once popular game, if you guys know, Pokemon Go. Engineering and designers, where our use of AR technology is used to visualize and introduce the project being worked on. Promotions, where making advertisement using AR can certainly give satisfaction because consumers can see product in more detail so that they can steal consumer attention. And in the medical field, AR is used to introduce and see detail of human organs or living things to make it easier to learn about the surgery in medicine. And then in the military, AR is also used for training and research, where military soldiers can practice combat with condition as if it were a combat field, which is useful for improving the mentality and maturation of military soldiers. Not only that, the AR is used in so many other fields. So, let's move to the topic. The first application that I will describe that can be used in filmmaking is Adobe After Effects. This application can be used to add some effect that will appear on the film after the editing process is complete. The addition is this application of this effect, of course, aims to make the film more interesting. The application can change and create animation through objects. Besides that, this application is supported by scripting features and expression support to produce more dynamic animation. The following is an example of using the application in video editing. Every application, of course, has the advantage and disadvantage of this application are that it has so many effect support, keyframe, and scripting support, is able to convert vector files to shape, and many others. This application also has the disadvantage, such as requiring a long time to learn about this application. It requires a PC with a high specification. High accuracy is required in operating the software, and the application doesn't support for Linux. Okay, so the next application is Unity and Vuforia. Unity is an application that is used to create animation in both 2D and 3D. This application supports three programming languages, namely JavaScript, C, and Vue. This application can be used to create animation for augmented reality, which will later be connected to Vuforia to run the animation. The advantage of this application is that it's free and multi-platform, while the drawback is that it uses a lot of memory and adjustment are needed to use this application. Vuforia itself is a software development kit or SDK to help make it easier for developers to create augmented reality applications. The drawback of this application is that it doesn't support face tracking and cannot use for the front camera. While the advantage of this application is easy to set up and the application development process stable and can be directly played for AR testing. The following is a simple example of making augmented reality using Unity and Vuforia. So, that's all the video from me. Sorry if there's an error in this explanation. See you on my next video. Bye!